In this question, you have to match the components given under column 1 with that of column 2. Now, eosinophils are a type of white blood cells involved in allergic responses and the immune system's response to parasites. So, they release histamines, an enzyme that helps to regulate the histamine levels and reduces the allergic reactions. Thus, A matches with 3. Now, basophils are another type of white blood cells that releases histamine, serotonin, and heparin. And these substances play a role in inflammation, allergic reaction, and immune responses. So B matches with 4. Now, neutrophils are the most abundant type of white blood cell and they play an important role in the immune response by engulfing and destroying pathogens through a process called phagocytosis. So C matches with 2. Now B and T lymphocytes are also a type of white blood cells that are involved in the acquired or the adaptive immunity. Now B cells produce antibodies while T cells regulate immune responses and directly attack infected cells. Thus, D matches with 1. Hence, the correct answer is option C.